all over once I get it.
Too bad. But doesn't it have to?
Why don't you do it on the long part?
I'm trying to hit the long. It's the same on this side too.
No.
Look. What are you talking
No,
about?
it looks like this part on the floor is about this thick.
No, it's the same all around, but it won't stand up.
Oh,
Yeah.
gotcha.
But if I hold it,
No, you don't need close to this.
Glass in there?
so is that water coming from the brown thing in the middle?
Yeah.
I thought it was sealed.
Not anymore.
Oh, so it broke.
It's cracked,
The
yeah.
brown thing. Oh. Oh. Wow.
Well done.